Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to add clickable link to TikTok bio. In order to add clickable link to TikTok bio, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go to login into your account, and when you're logged in, go ahead and press on your profile icon and tap the three dot icon from the top right hand side corner. When you do that, on the other page, you have to go ahead and select settings and privacy, and under it go to manage account, and then you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So here, go ahead and switch your account to pro account. When you do that, go ahead and enter in all of these and follow the instructions such as whether you're a creator or a business owner or whatever, and tap the next button. And once again, go ahead and follow all of these category and all that. Professional, when you're done creating your professional account, it's going to take you to the home page, and here go ahead and tap on edit profile. When you do that, next page you'll be able to find this option as website, and then you could go ahead and add a clickable link right on that page. So click on it and type in or paste in a link that you wish to add it to your profile, and click on the save button, and then you'll have successfully added clickable link to your TikTok profile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.